Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on a low-end laptop. First, let's dive into essential display settings. Setting your display mode to full-screen exclusive is crucial for maximizing performance. Ensure your display resolution matches your monitor's native resolution, often 1092 by 1080. Disabling VSync in both gameplay and menus will significantly reduce input delay. Finally, set your custom frame rate limit to align with your monitor's refresh rate for smoother visuals. Next, we'll fine-tune your in-game quality settings. Select Custom for your quality presets and keep render resolution at 100%. For upscaling, Fidelity FXCAS is recommended, with its strength set around 50 for a good balance. Crucially, reduce texture resolution and particle resolution to low or very low. Also, turn off screen space shadows, ambient occlusion, and volumetric quality. These are major performance hogs on less powerful hardware. Beyond in-game settings, system-level optimizations are vital. Always ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date directly from NVIDIA or AMD. These updates often include significant performance improvements. Activate Windows Game Mode to dedicate more system resources to Warzone. Close any background applications like web browsers or chat apps that consume CPU and RAM. Lastly, adjust your PC's power plan to high performance for consistent power delivery to your components. For even more gains, install Warzone on an SSD if possible. This dramatically improves loading and texture streaming. If you're still struggling, try lowering your display resolution below 1080 pixels, perhaps to 900 pixels, for a noticeable frame rate increase. Experiment with your field of view between 100 and 115 for a balance of visibility and performance. Remember, while these tips help, a low-end laptop will have inherent limitations, so manage your expectations for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.